Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study general medicine for NEET PG. First, thoroughly understand the exam pattern and syllabus. Prioritize high-yield topics for efficient preparation. Utilize standard textbooks and reliable online resources. Practice numerous multiple-choice questions regularly to solidify your understanding. This foundational approach will set you up for success. Next, focus your efforts on core subjects like cardiology, gastroenterology, and neurology, as these are frequently tested. Harrison's Principles of Internal Medicine is a highly recommended resource for in-depth knowledge. Supplement your reading with comprehensive question banks and specialized review books. Remember, attending clinical postings offers invaluable practical understanding. To study effectively, create a structured schedule and stick to it consistently. Make concise, easy-to-review notes for quick recall of important concepts. Regular revision of previously studied topics is crucial for long-term retention. Additionally, solve mock tests frequently to assess your progress, identify areas needing improvement, and refine your time management skills. Finally, on exam day, manage your time effectively to attempt all questions. Staying calm and focused under pressure is vital for optimal performance. After each mock test, thoroughly analyze your incorrect answers to learn from mistakes and avoid repeating them. Maintaining a positive attitude throughout your entire preparation journey will significantly contribute to your success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.